We are proud to present Basakot High K6M by Compo Expert. Compo Expert, a globally trusted brand, specializes in innovative controlled release fertilizers. Basakot is a premium range of fertilizers produced in Germany, designed to ensure optimal plant growth with a consistent nutrient supply lasting up to 6 months. Each granule of Basakot High K6M is coated with a unique elastic polymer. This advanced coating evenly controls nutrient penetration and enables an extended controlled release process, ensuring plants receive essential nutrients efficiently. Thanks to its climate-adapt release technology, the release process dynamically adjusts to ambient temperature and weather changes. This ensures plants are nourished throughout their active growth phase. Basakot is fully coated, containing all essential nutrients. Observe the remarkable and consistent growth of plants, whether fruits, vegetables, or nursery ornamental species. Choose Compo Expert's Basakot High K6M today and experience innovation-driven plant growth. Compo Expert. We are your experts for growth.